Hello and welcome to Friday Assembly. It's been a very busy week. We appreciate all the efforts you are putting into your learning at home. Your parents, your carers are doing all the work they're doing to support you as well. And looking after each other is very important. And next week is a very special week that we always celebrate in school, and we always think about. It's Children's Mental Health Week. So next week, each day, your teachers and Sam at Place to Be are going to have a range of activities and resources for you to use and take part in during the week. This week, also at the start of the week, I don't know whether you noticed on the news, people went a bit sea shanty mad. An 82-year-old gentleman was singing about the coronavirus, and some young lads who had sung a sea shanty had got signed up by a record deal. Now, we don't want a record deal, but we do recognise that having a good sing-song is good for the spirits, good for the morale, good for your well-being, and puts a smile on your face. So I contacted a few of my friends today and asked them if they would help me put a little song together about Haslingden Primary School and the coronavirus at the moment. I also rang my twin sister, spoke to my niece as well, and they decided to put a bit of music in the background. So I'm going to start off with a very special treat. This is Haslingden Primary School Lockdown COVID Sea Shanty. Roll the video! What shall we do with coronavirus? What shall we do with coronavirus? What shall we do with coronavirus early in the morning? Wash your hands and cover your faces. Wash your hands and cover your faces. Wash your hands and cover your faces every single morning. Hooray, Haslingden Primary School, hooray, Haslingden Primary School, hooray, Haslingden Primary School, best school in the morning.
What shall we do with our remote learning? What shall we do with our remote learning? What shall we do with our remote learning early in the morning? Log on Zoom and focus on your teacher. Log on Zoom and focus on your teacher. Log on Zoom and focus on your teacher every single morning. Hooray, Haslingden Primary. Hooray, Haslingden Primary. Hooray, Haslingden Primary. Best school in the morning.
What shall we do about daily exercise? What shall we do about daily exercise? What shall we do about daily exercise early in the morning? 21-minute challenge from Nathan. 21-minute challenge from Nathan. 21-minute challenge from Nathan every single morning.
Hooray, Haslingden Primary. Hooray, Haslingden Primary. Hooray, Haslingden Primary. Best school in the morning.
Hello, it's time for our birthdays. This week on the staff team we had a very special birthday. You might have seen on Facebook some pictures of Mrs. Dowling with all of her presents from members of staff. So Mrs. Dowling, a very special happy birthday to you. With our children this week, we have the following people. In reception, we've got Harry Ratcliffe, Bobby Howarth in Year 1, Samuel Rutherford in Year 5, Inaya Sheikh in Year 3, and Mohammed in Year 6. So happy birthday to everybody there. I did receive a complaint after last week's birthday. And not only did I receive a complaint, but somebody went out and did something. So a very special thank you to Mrs. Woodcock, who teaches in Year 3, who was not impressed that my candles had nearly burnt all the way down. So, ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Woodcock has given us some new candles. What do you think of those? So let me light the candles quickly. That's it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, whilst I'm trying to get these, just a reminder, if you've got any pictures you want to send to our gallery, then make sure they're into school, the assembly email address for midday on Wednesdays, and we'll get them into Friday's assembly. So the gallery is still to come this week. And there we go. So, for the second time this assembly, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear everyone, happy birthday to you. Right, count us down. 3, 2, 1. Make your wish. Happy birthday everyone.
Next week is Place to Be's Children's Mental Health Week with the theme Express Yourself. Have a look at the picture and the question at the top. What does express yourself mean? Express yourself is about finding creative ways to share your feelings, your thoughts or ideas through things like art, writing, music, dance, and doing things that make you feel good. Being able to express yourself is not about being the best at something or putting on a performance for others. It is about finding a way to show how you are feeling that can help you feel good about yourself. This Children's Mental Health Week, we are exploring the different ways we can express ourselves and the creative ways that we can share our feelings, our thoughts, and our ideas. So already in this assembly, you will have seen myself, Mr. Newton, and Mr. Gelder express ourselves through a sea shanty. Why does finding healthy ways to express yourself matter? Have a think. Finding creative, enjoyable ways to share our thoughts, feelings and ideas can make us feel good and help our mental health, especially when we face tough situations or difficult times. It matters because when we feel good about ourselves, it can help our mental health and our well-being. Remember, just as we look after our physical health, our bodies, by doing things like exercising, eating well, and getting enough sleep, we also need to look after our mental health, our minds. One way of caring for our mental health is to notice and share how we are feeling. Expressing ourselves in creative ways can help us do this. How does being creative and expressing yourself make you feel? We are all different and we will find different creative ways to express ourselves. Finding healthy ways to express ourselves can make us feel good, happy, relaxed, excited, connected, amongst other feelings. Remember, when we express ourselves, we don't have to be a great artist or a wonderful dancer. It's not about being the very best at something or putting on a performance. Let's encourage each other to find lots of different ways to get creative and express ourselves. Enjoy the activities that Sam and your teachers have prepared for next week. Thank you.
So last week we spoke about rain, gave you some rain facts, and Kira and Dylan Hayhurst have emailed into the assembly email address some work they did when I said, what else can you find out about rain? So first of all, here we've got a picture of a rainbow and a rain cloud and them explaining how rainbows are formed with rain. That's fantastic. And over here, we've got some rain facts, like a mind map diagram there as well. So remember, if you've got work you want to show, then submit it to the assembly email address with our school, and your work can be included in this week's gallery. So, roll the video!
Hi everybody, so it's Star of the Week time, and first of all I want to say well done for everybody who have been sending in work, who's joined in on the Zoom calls. Thank you mums and dads, I know it's hard for you as well, but you've all done amazingly. Somebody who has been on every single Zoom call I have done is Caden. Caden, I'm going to give you Star of the Week for all your hard work and your amazing read, write, ink lesson. They have been brilliant, haven't they, Fred? Keep it up. Well done.
Good morning, everyone. Do you remember when people used to say that looking at the screen too much was bad for you? Nowadays, it's the only way we can keep in touch with most others, isn't it? My Star of the Week goes to Amelia, who's put 100% into everything that she does, and my favourite one of which was her biography of King Henry VIII. When I grow up, I don't think I want to be too much like him. Well done, Millie, and bye for now, everyone.
My star this week has been attending every Zoom lesson. They have been showing off their wonderful work to their friends, including some artwork, which they have done at home. And they have been rising to the writing challenges that I've been setting every day. My star of the week this week is Megan Austin. Well done, Megan. Keep up the good work.
Star of the Week in 3B this week goes to somebody who's been working really hard at home, and that's Ethan Spencer. Your certificate is also for your mum, and I'm in awe of every parent who's been working from home and then stepping in to become their child's teacher. Well done, everybody. Keep it up. Bye.
Happy Friday, HPS. My Star of the Week this week goes to Mary. Another amazing week. You have been on every Zoom call with a super big smile on your face. You are working so hard at home, so well done to you. Super science work. You are really, really impressing me. Well done. Keep up the good work.
Hi 4G, Star of the Week time. This week I'm going to choose 2 Star of the Weeks because they do all their work together at home. Star of the Week this week, or the Stars of the Week, are Ethan and Reese Woods. Every single day they are on all our Zoom sessions. Every day they submit work to a high standard. Well done boys, keep it up and enjoy the snow whilst it lasts.
Hello, my Star of the Week this week is Jasmine Raffy. She's been on every one of our Zoom calls, trying hard with all her answers and explanations. And not only that, she's been using lots of diamond power to email over all the fantastic work she's been doing at home with Mum. Well done, Jasmine. Keep up the hard work. Bye.
Hi 5N. This week, my Star of the Week goes to Ben. I've been really impressed with his effort and his engagement in his remote learning, always making sure that he's sending his work through, logging into his online learning resources every single day, making sure that he's spending a good amount of time practicing his times tables, using his spelling shed, completing tasks on My Maths as well. He's been on every Zoom and he's also been asking questions over the email so that I can help him with his home learning. Keep it up, Ben. Well done.
Hi 6H, my Star of the Week for this week goes to Jamal Khan. Well done for, after a bit of a shaky start with not having the correct technological devices you needed at home, you have now smashed the work that is coming through, and you've also gone back to ensure that you have filled in any missing gaps as well. Can I also give a shout out to Talha, who has really taken on a very important role this week of ensuring that his younger siblings have been able to get onto their Zoom meetings. So proud of all of your attitudes to learning. So very well done and look forward to seeing you all soon.
My Star of the Week for this week is Sharona Nolan because she's a superstar. She's done loads and loads of her home learning tasks and lots of online work too. Well done, Sharona, you are amazing.
Hi Year 2, here I am again sitting at my dining table getting ready for our Zoom lesson today. But I just wanted to say a big well done for everybody who's joined in on Zoom, everybody who's been on Times Table, Rockstars and Spelling Shed. Keep up that good work. It's been amazing to see you working so hard. Our Stars of the Week this week for 2F is Tyler J. Amazing work in maths, keep that up. And in 2T we've got Aman. Well done for all your hard work in phonics this week. See you soon. Take care. Bye.
Hello everybody, it's Miss Hodges here. Mrs Cameron is in school this week, so it's my turn to do our Stars of the Week video. We've been really impressed with how many of you have made it to our daily Read Write Ink Zooms. They are so important and it's fantastic to see that you're still working really hard on your reading and writing at home. We've been really impressed with all the pictures and videos we've had of your home learning this week. You continue to blow us away. But these 2 people have shown brilliant and outstanding effort. They've been really determined to keep going with their work. So this week, our Stars of the Week are Eden, Astley and Ruben Howarth. You've worked really hard and we are really impressed. Well.